All right, traders, welcome back to another year with the VIP team. Today we're going to talk about this new gold trade that I have. It's not still running, of course, but that I have a buy stop on. So basically, this is based on a new strategy that will be released in about a week or so for you to be able to jump in on that. It's a pretty strong and powerful strategy in the sense that it provides entries in the very low time frames that can be managed once triggered and turned into trades into very profitable swing trades. Now, this is my, of course, my buy stop gold at the moment on a nice 1 to 2.4 or 2.5 almost risk to reward ratio. So basically, this is a play on a flag breakout, right, on the 50-minute time frame. And if you notice this, well, if you notice what's going on here is a retest of the previous key level on the of the 50-minute time frame, right? But more importantly, we also had this pivotal level right here where that flat triangle formed before that breakout and eventually buyers jumped in here. More so, we have on our special oscillator, you won't find this oscillator on the indicators on the trading view. This is a special oscillator. We have some massive bullish divergence since no, the week before low, since December, I'm sorry, since December 30th low. So basically, price has been making higher highs and higher lows, whilst our special oscillator is now printing flat bottoms, right? This is where we are looking to buy into the pullback. Now, our targets are pretty simple based on the 4-hour chart. Well, based on the 4-hour chart, you can see that this is also a very strong historical level right here on November 8th or at the beginning of November. This is where we saw that break of October highs and a massive continuation towards those November highs. Now, right now, price being capped by December's highs or the previous highs, but the retest back to the previous broken highs is also a trigger for us to look for longs. More so, we're trading above the weekly pivot, and we are targeting the next key level for a nice 2.5 risk to reward ratio. So stay tuned because we are going to manage this trade. Um, Possibly like I've managed the trades before. This past trade is I have two buys in gold and my third one to get triggered right now. And as you can see, this is based on the same strategy on a short-term trading strategy, taking profits and letting the trade run. And this trade is up already 310 pips or so. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on the new strategy and how you can acquire it. But for now, enjoy this free trade. And for you VIPs, welcome to another year trading with the team.